Hello, Keith Rucker here at VintageMachinery.org. Guys, today doing something a little bit different. Just don't really have time to put together a full-blown video for this Monday. I've been on the road traveling a lot with my real job the last couple of weeks and going to be on the road again most of this week, and it has really cut into my shop time. But I did want to share with you guys some exciting news about a new acquisition for the shop that we were able to pick up this past week. I have been mentioning in the past about the need for a jib crane to go over on my big lathe that has a little small jib crane on it, but has proven to be a little bit inadequate. I really kind of had plans on how I was going to build one, construct one. I had kind of sketched out what I wanted, and I started looking at pricing materials and everything else to put that thing together. And in the process, I also started looking for some jib cranes that I could just go out and purchase. And I, lo and behold, found on Facebook Marketplace a jib crane that was not too terribly far away from me, several hours, but it was actually going to be cheaper to buy a commercially built one that was used, being sold, than it was going to be to buy the materials to build one that really wasn't even as nice as this one. So let me show you what I got. So pick this up, again, off Facebook Marketplace up in Tennessee. I was actually traveling for work and was only a couple of hours from there, and just made a little side trip and went up there and picked it up. So what we got here is the column for this is about 11 feet, I think, is what we measured, a little over 10 feet tall, which will be perfect height to fit up underneath, over there behind the lathe. Got a nice extra large base here that's actually was welded onto a larger base with about a half-inch thick plate on the bottom that I can just bolt down to my floor in the shop and be able to put it. And then up here on the top, basically it's a 1-ton jib crane. I think it's about 6 feet long and actually has a 1.5 ton chain hoist on it. And this has got bearings and stuff that it rotates on and around the column and what have you. So I think this is going to work out really good. I can just kind of plop this thing down right there between the two lathes back there and be able to use it. Now, it is rated for 1 ton, but I think we're going to be derating this for the application where I'm at. And the main reason is this base down here. We're going to be able to just bolt that to my concrete floor. And I've talked with some engineering friends about, you know, what I can safely pick up with my concrete slab. The area that I'm going to put it in actually has a deep footer up underneath it, because there's a column in that area where a support in the shop is. But he said, you know, realistically, with this footprint and the thickness of my concrete and all that, without going in there and digging it out and putting in new footers and stuff, that it would easily handle a 1/2 ton. And honestly, for what I'm needing over there, probably a 1/4 ton is all I need. 500 pounds is probably all I'd ever be lifting on this thing anyway. So we're going to basically derate it and not have to do major concrete work in there. That's kind of my game plan right now. It's probably going to be a little while before I can get a chance to get this thing set up and installed in the shop, just because of time and other projects we got going on. But I basically have it here ready to go whenever we get ready to. So anyway, exciting news there. Glad to have picked this thing up. Like I said, I got a pretty good deal on it, and it appears to be in very nice condition. So excited to be able to put this in the shop. So real quick update, not much of a video for today. I wanted to put something out here just so you guys didn't think that something was wrong with me or something like that. Anytime I don't post a video, everybody wonders if I'm still alive. Alive and well, just busy as a bee, and just haven't had a lot of time to be in the shop this past week. Got another video coming up for you guys on the Tally-Ho cap stand. They'll be coming out on Friday. We make some good progress on that this past weekend when I was out in the shop, and you'll be seeing an update coming on that very soon. But with that, we're going to be signing off. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Those thumbs up and comments are always greatly appreciated. Hit that bell icon up there to get notifications when new videos are posted. And big, huge thank you to the supporters of the site who subscribe, as well as contribute via Patreon, PayPal, etc. Really do appreciate all your efforts there. And with that, we'll sign off. We'll catch you later. Thanks.